So here I have your bottle stop that's down at the in-feed side of your machine. This is what can prevent bottles from entering into the machine if you ever need to. This bottle stop is made up of two different parts. You have your initial paddle stop here, and then your hook stop. They perform different functions. The paddle stop is there to initially stop bottles from entering the machine. The hook stop is here for specific timing to make sure that your bottles are hitting the in-feed screw properly and not causing a jam up. To control the bottle stop, you do so on your HMI screen. So over on your HMI screen, to operate your bottle stop, you would want to press this bottle stop button. But first you can observe the status of the bottle stop here, whether it's in a warning or an alarm condition, such as being in manual mode. On the bottle stop screen, you have the ability to enable and disable some of your sensors associated with line control. Then you also have manual or automatic operation for your bottle stop. Normally, your bottle stop should be an automatic operation. If you want it in manual, you can press manual and then closed or open to open the bottle stop and hook stop together. When the bottle stop is in automatic operation, it will open and close appropriately depending on your line conditions. Whenever the machine is running and the bottle stop opens, it opens up in a timing sequence to allow your bottles to feed into the screw properly to avoid any jam ups.